Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well today. It's almost time to be done, which is really exciting. I just wanted to check in with you and make sure you're doing okay. If you have any questions about the final and you need some clarification, just please do let me know. I noticed that my module got a little different because we're updating it, and so disregard anything that wasn't there this whole time, and I apologize. I think the person I'm working with did things without me noticing. So what you have left to do is what has shifted, right? The post and the final exam. So that's all I need you to be dealing with. Everything else is done. Done? Does that sound right? Let me go back here and double check just so that we are on the same page. But I'm sorry about that because what happened was, again, like I said, we are making changes for the summer module. But yes, your final exam and what has shifted. Please just do that and don't sweat anything else. All right. So again, good luck. You know this stuff. This is stuff that we've already been through in terms of posts. So just expand, provide more sources, do your best writing, and you will be just great. All right, nice working with you this semester, and maybe I'll see you in person one day or in another online class. Who knows? I'm teaching a hybrid class in the fall, but it's not all online. So if you're an all online person, don't sign up for it because you have to come once a week. And I know that confuses people, but it's called hybrid. And so a hybrid means half-half. Half online, half in person. So just bear in mind when you do your registration, because I think that registration has started. All right. Thanks for being awesome, and I hope to see you one of these days. Take care.